everyone. Today we're going to learn a piece about the video game called Zelda Ocarina of Time. And this is the title theme, and you can find this book on Amazon under Easy Piano. And I don't know what page it is, but you'll see the music as it comes up. And we're going to start off with F major 7, so F, A, C, E. Now you can have 2 and 1 there, or 3 and 1 in the left hand. And then you go to C, G, B, E. And that's held a little bit longer than the 4 counts. And then it goes down to F. So it's F, C, A, D, E. And then left hand moves up. C, G, B. And then I put 1 on D. And then E is 2. Okay, and then you go up to high D, and left hand is going to make an F major 7 broken. And then 3 goes on D flat. And then those go together. So it's like that. And then you hold that, you're going to cross over 3, 2. So again, that part is